Have you ever met someone who just seems to glow? They walk into your room and without saying a loud word, they command respect and admiration. You might think it's their clothes, their money, their job title, but usually it's not. It's the way they handle the tiny, subtle moments of their life. Today I'm sharing 5 small etiquette habits that will instantly elevate your presence and make you the most charming person in the room. Many people mistake etiquette for being stiff or following old rules, but true elegance is about social intelligence. It's about making people around you feel comfortable and valued. So if you want to leave a lasting positive impression, let's dive into these 5 simple rules. Habit number 1 is the 2-second pause. In our busy world, we always rush to fill the silence. And when someone finishes a sentence, we just jump in to tell our story. And it seems like we're waiting for the other one to end his or her story in order for us to speak up. It can seem like we aren't listening, we're just waiting for our turn to speak. Imagine a friend telling you, "I had such a rough day." And instead of immediately saying, "Oh, me too," just try pausing for a few seconds. That tiny pause shows you are absorbing what they said. It makes you thoughtful, controlled, deeply polite. Try it. It changes the whole energy of the conversation. Point number 2, keep the mystery alive. Elegant people do not overshare. Now we live in an age where everything is posted online, but there is immense power in holding back. If you're at a dinner party and someone asks you a prying question like, "How much money do you make?" or "Why aren't you married yet?" do not get defensive or feel forced to answer to that question. Just simply smile and say, "That is a long story for another time, but tell me, how is your new project going?" Pivoting the conversation gracefully protects your boundaries and makes the mood light. That is true class. Number 3 is strictly for social gatherings. I call it the check-in glance. So when you are talking to someone in a group, it's easy to focus on the loudest person, but an elegant person, a polite person, makes sure that everyone in the group is included. If you are telling a story to a group of 3 people, do not just look at the person who is nodding the most. Make brief eye contact with the quiet person on the edge of the circle. You don't even have to ask them a question. Just looking at them says, "I see you and you are part of this." It's a subtle superpower that makes people love being around you. This one is non-negotiable. Point number 4, be where your feet are. Nothing kills elegance faster than a smartphone on the dinner table, even if it is face down. Yes. If you are having coffee with a friend, keep your phone in your bag or in your pocket. If you are expecting an urgent call, apologize in advance and say, "I'm so sorry, I have to keep my phone out for work emergency, but otherwise you have my full attention." Giving someone your undivided attention is the most expensive gift you can give them today. Finally, number 5, it's how you handle a mistake. Elegant people are not perfect. They just handle imperfections perfectly. If you spill a water or forget a name, just do not make a scene. If you spill a water at a restaurant, do not make a huge fuss. Just say, "Oh dear, how clumsy of me." It signals the waiter to help and just move on. That's all. When you stay calm, you signal confidence. If you panic, you make all the people feel anxious. So just laugh it off and keep going. Before we wrap up, here are 3 rapid tips to remember. First, the posture. Roll your shoulders back. It instantly makes you look more capable. Names. Use people's names when you talk to them. And the third one is about the exit. When you are leaving a conversation, just do not go away. Say, "It was wonderful talking to you," before you go. True elegance is a journey, not a destination. It's about practicing these small little habits until they become your second nature. I would love to know which of these 5 habits you find hard to practice. Is it the phone usage or maybe the oversharing? If you enjoy this video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel, and subscribe for more tips on living the most elegant life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay polished.